Hello children, in continuation with Know Your Grammar Better, today I will introduce you to a new topic. Kinds of verbs. Now we are going to look at the basic kinds of verbs, how these verbs are divided into two basic kinds. Basically, verbs are divided into intransitive verbs and transitive verbs. Now, what do we mean by intransitive verbs? Those verbs which do not take object to give its complete meaning. If they are complete without the help of the direct object of the verb, then those verbs are called as intransitive verbs. Let me give you one example. The sun shines brightly. Now here my verb shines has an adverb brightly attached to it, but there is no object to the verb. There is no direct object to the verb shines, and therefore this comes under intransitive verb. Similarly, they eat. Now this is again a complete sentence. The verb is eat. This verb does not take any direct object. It is giving a complete meaning. Probably if I add they eat slowly, here again slowly is not the object of the verb eat. Therefore this comes under intransitive verb. Now when we are talking about the transitive verbs, these transitive verbs, they require a direct object to give its complete meaning. Now here we saw the sun shines brightly where there is no object. Now this same sentence, if it is taking an object like the sun shines brightly in the sky. So here in the sky, this is taking the object and therefore this becomes a transitive verb. Similarly, we have they eat slowly, which is an intransitive verb. This if I say they eat pizzas slowly, so here the verb eat has got a direct object pizza. Therefore, this becomes a transitive verb. So, basically transitive and intransitive verbs differ in the sense that intransitive verbs do not need a direct object for its complete meaning, whereas transitive verbs take object to give their complete meaning. I will give you a few more examples. They are playing. Are playing is my verb here, but it does not need any object to give me a complete sense. So this is intransitive verb, but they are playing chess. So when I use the word chess here, this becomes the direct object to my verb are playing, and therefore they are playing chess is a transitive verb. Now, we went far. Now again far is an adverb. My verb went does not have any object and therefore it is under intransitive verb. Whereas we went far in the woods. So here again my went is a verb which is taking an object woods, and therefore this becomes a transitive verb. So intransitive verbs are complete without the object of the verb, whereas transitive verbs are complete when they get the object to the verb. I hope this concept is clear to you. The kinds of verbs, their tenses, we will see in the following videos. Thank you.